What's going on, guys? I look like a ghost, like always, you know, white boy, white boy, white boy. We got this thing out here. Woohoo! T-tops off, because it's another beautiful day out here in Georgia. I don't know what's going on right now. It's February. It's February, and it's like 70 degrees down here. And normally it's not that cold, or not that warm, but you know what? I'm gonna take what I can get. I love the absolute love, the warmness of it. Dude, I literally look like a ghost. Like, this is bad. This is not good. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing today. Matthew's working on my bumper, so hopefully he's almost done with that, and I gotta go bring him some paint filler. And dude, I straight look like a ghost. I gotta do this, man. Like, this is just a sad life, you know? But yeah, so hopefully he can almost finish my bumper, and then I can send it off to paint and get the car painted soon, and it's just gonna be a great day today. All right, guys, I'm just cruising, going to the parts store. I end up pulling in this gas station, and look who I see. Look who I see. I see this man. I mean, I'm pulling up. I look behind me, and all I see is this bad lifestyle shit guy he got going on. Ooh, ooh, boy. Who wants to see a race between this car and this car? Comment down below. Guys, look. It's a wild Matthew hard at work. Look at him sanding away on that bumper that he destroyed at the drift event. Ooh. 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 But alright, guys, I just got to Matthew's house. Brought him the primer he needs to prime the bumper. I don't think he's gonna paint it. I'm not gonna have him paint it because I'm gonna get the car painted all together. But yeah, he's been hard at work, right? Yeah? You been hardly working or working hard? Is it looking good though? Don't get too close. Oh my gosh, I just hit my thing. Matthew's over here putting the first coat of primer on. This thing's about to transform in front of your eyes. Alright, Matthew?
Yes, sir.
Went from a big hole to smooth.
Yes, sir.
Got the first coat of primer on. Looks pretty good. I can't really see that well, you know, because Matthew got the little headlight on. Look at him. Look at he's looking all cute and everything. But look at that smile, you see it? Ooh. About to lay a couple more coats of primer and call it a day. What are you doing with the fire, bro?
For it to go out.
Oh. Bro, this isn't good enough, dude. Like, you broke this thing. I want a new bumper.
It's brand new.
I want you to buy me a KBD bumper.
I don't know what that is.
It's the best bumper out there. But like,
what car?
For my car.
Doesn't make sense. How can it be the best?
Because it's the best bumper for that car.
Did you forget what kind of car you drive?
Yeah, like the most beautiful. I can't even see you, bro. Stop, bro. You're gonna be blind on YouTube. The most beautiful 300ZX ever made. But like, it's not. I think I'm about to kick it because like it's obviously not good enough for my car. So like, I need you to like redo it. Like you see this right here? Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not focusing, but there's a little crack like right there. And like, I'm not satisfied. I need you to re-sand the whole bumper and redo it.
No.
Yeah, bro. I swear I'm gonna kick it.
Go ahead. I'll do it for you if you want.
Alright, I'm gonna kick it.
I'll do it for you. You want me to?
Get primed? No, not unless you're gonna fix it.
Fix what? It's fixed.
Once you kick it, get all the dirt on it, and then fix it again.
You gave it to me with a shitty ass paint.
No. I didn't give it to you. I didn't give it. No.
And now, is there a
you smashed into an S13 on the track and put a hole in it and destroyed it. So don't even act like I gave it to you like that. You did that.
So you gave it to me with a shitty paint job and a big ass hole that I made in it, right?
That you made, yes.
Alright, is there a hole in it anymore?
No, but there's still cracks.
My job is done.
For everyone that knows, this is Matthew's body shop. It's outside of his house. So yeah, this is how he does body work. So if anyone wants to go follow Matthew on Instagram, his Instagram will be down below, and comment. And if you want your car painted, he paints cars for $300.
No, I don't, nigga.
$300, that's it. $300, that's all you have to pay him. He'll paint the whole car, all the body work, everything.
I'll paint it. It ain't gonna look good.
No, $300 and you paint the car nice. Like, you wanna see what kind of paint job is gonna be? Hold on, I'll show you. He just painted this car. He just painted that. He just painted that. Look at this fresh bumper paint. The hood's freshly painted. Blown turbos, because Matthew blew the turbos in that. Bro, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet, bro. It's wet. Oh, it's wet. Bro, it's wet. Hey, you want to see if we can fit it up to the S4? Maybe it'll actually look good then?
Absolutely not.
This bumper on that car would look so good, dude.
Actually came out really nice.
Yo, is there any way we can put these intercoolers on my car or what?
Yeah, but we can hook up your intake to it. That way you know fresh air.
That's what I'm saying, yeah, colder air.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, can I have one of the turbos out of there too?
The blown one, yeah.
That's fine. That's all I need.
So you can rebuild.
But yeah, guys, honestly, the bumper looks pretty good. I'm just giving Matthew a hard time because, you know, that's what he deserves. But alright, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video. We got the bumper fixed. That's the main goal of the day. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and go subscribe, because I'm painting my car when I hit 500 subscribers, guys. I'm going to do it. Just you'll see, like 50 more subscribers and I'm painting the car. So go subscribe right now. It's like right there, like red little, yeah, go do it. All right, peace.